Welcome to modern agricultural world. Nowadays, agricultural machines are completely revolutionizing the way of farming. Today in this video, we will see advanced modern agricultural machine that will revolutionize your farming. This handy plowing machine is especially used on roadless and a small field, which works simply as plow. Here, everything is being done with a single machine, such as pouring to tying of paddy plant. This aeroponic system is used on congested place for farming, in which the plant is installed on 10-inch diameter plastic tube pipe. This clip is set to bend the branch in a specific direction. Or discouraged upturned soil for a quick and easy crop planting. Sugarcane branch can be cleaned faster by using this tool. Oranges are harvested with a shake and catch tractor. This equipment is used to sow seeds rapidly at the right place. Here, this tool is using for branded packaging of green coriander. Dead grass gets back greeny by painting green color in winter season. Extracting corn rapidly on next level using this tool. Rectangular cube of cow feed is packaging in a second. Big trees are being uprooted precisely by this machine to sell in the market. Rotating arms from different directions wrap a bale of hay. Drone is used to spray pesticides on vegetable plants to keep them healthy. Carrots are being uprooted fastly using this equipment mounted in tractor. Or rotating arms wrapping tree using threads for slim packaging. Spreading organic fertilizer in the field using this equipment. Tractor attachment filtering weeds from soil. This powerful attachment is used to plow stony farm.